Hi everyone, and welcome to Morning Coffee Break. I hope everybody's doing really good today. It's Tuesday, January 28th. Currently it's 32 degrees. The high today is going to be 46. That'll feel pretty good. No chance of precipitation, and winds at 7 miles per hour right now, so it probably feels like a little less than 32, I'm sure, out there. Just a note, Logan's Awesome Snack Reviews will be on Wednesday this week. That's the day that Logan said he'd like to do it on, so that'll be fine. Today I will have a delicious meals video. Oh my goodness. I already previewed looking at it, because I have to do some editing and stuff, and I got hungry. I really did. So did Joy. I was showing Joy parts of it and seeing what she thought of it and everything. She said, it does make you hungry. She said, I'm hungry now. So that's the warning. What's for dinner? Well, I thought I'd throw it in there again. I said, listen, we've said we were going to have the chicken stir fry for 3 times now. We had something else. I said, let's have the chicken stir fried egg rolls. So I hope that's the last time I have to mention that for a while. I don't know what it is. There's several things. I think there was something the other day that also that I mentioned to y'all, but for some reason, stir fry gets tossed around every time we go to have it. We find some reason, or we have some reason that we eat something else. We've been doing good about eating out. We ate out this month. I guess it was this month. Yeah, one time at Pal's, and it was really good. I'm tired of wasting money, especially at McDonald's. I don't know if I'll ever go back to McDonald's. It's just not worth it. They obviously don't even take pride in their food. They don't care what it looks like. They don't care how small it is compared to how it used to be, and everything. So I've had it. We've all had it. So anyway, there we go with it. Anyway, that's only the first one though so far, I think. So yeah, Logan's show. Okay, we got some jokes. It's so cold in Alaska that... How cold is it in Alaska? Someone stabbed himself with an icicle and died of cold cuts. Babies are brought by penguins, not by storks. Well, I'm sure penguins can get around better in it. Let's see. Seeing a homeless guy begging on the street, a woman took pity on him and gave him a handful of change. Thank you, said the homeless man. Your generosity is much appreciated. My life used to be great, but just look at the state of me now. How do you mean? Asked the woman. Well, he explained, I was a multi-millionaire. I had bank accounts all over the world with hundreds of thousands of dollars deposited in each. So where did it all go wrong? She asked. The homeless man sighed. I forgot my mother's maiden name. So they took his money? I don't think that could happen, really. Okay, the thought of the day is from a guy that I thought was really funny and everything he did. Rodney Dangerfield. When I was a kid, my parents moved a lot, but I always found them. I don't get no respect, I tell you. I just don't get no respect. I can't get that down right, but I like saying that. I just can picture him. He was always doing that, with it. He'd go like that with it. If you watch anything with him. The first thing that really comes to mind is one of his best roles, I think, was in Caddyshack. Really, it was just hilarious. So check that out. That'd be classic Rodney Dangerfield. Okay. All right. Now let's see what... I had one here, and we'll try it and see what it's like. I don't know how this one will be. We'll try and see. Step into the lab for this chemistry trivia challenge, everyone. What is common table salt made of? Phosphorus, seaweed, sodium chloride, magnesium. Seaweed? Really? Wouldn't it be green? I'm going to say sodium chloride. And what's it saying? What? It says there's no internet. That's not right. It's not. There's internet. I don't understand why it says that. I'll try it. I'll try it again. Sodium chloride. It's taken. There it goes. That's right. Table salt is one of the most common household chemicals. It is a 97% to 99% sodium chloride. Table salt may be white or may have a faint purple or blue tinge from impurities. Ugh. I know pink salt. I've got some Himalayan pink salt somewhere over here. That's not it, is it? I'm not going to look for it. It's here somewhere. I just don't see it right offhand. What's that? Oh, everything for a bagel seasoning. Oh, man. Okay. What type of radiation does sunscreen protect us from? UV, infrared, gamma, X. Well, it must protect us from gamma, because or we would turn into the Incredible Hulk, right? I mean, because the scientist, what's his name? Bruce Banner? No. Yeah? Maybe not. No. Can't remember his name. And then he got too much gamma radiation, and then whenever he get mad, he turned into the Hulk. I think it's UV. Yes. Sunscreens protect the skin. They play an important role in blocking ultraviolet UV radiation from being absorbed by the skin. It's a good thing. I do, and especially, in the summer, or, when I'm working outside and stuff, I'll put it on my arms, all over my whole arms, but I don't usually put it, like on my legs or anything like that. And since I wear a broad brim hat, I got a hat that's got a broad brim around all the way, I don't think much sun gets on my face. I don't really like to put it on my face, it's kind of oily like stuff. I mean, I have before, and I like the spray too, that just spritzes instead of trying to put some lotion on. Anyway. But you remember, when we were young, I mean, like Coppertone, they never had anything really that had sunscreen in it. It was like oil stuff that just you baked. It was like oiling you up to bake in the sun. Basically, that's what happened. Boy. And you know what? That's probably caused a lot of skin cancer too. I wouldn't doubt it. Back in the day, people would, even when I was little, they say that when you were young, if you had a lot of sun, you have more chances of getting some type of skin cancer. And I was outside all the time. Until, they made me come in. I was always out doing something. Which vitamin is formed in the skin by the action of sunlight? And if you have been paying attention before, we've done a similar question for this on another trivia challenge thing. And so you should be able to remember that, I hope. Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B. And I also talked about it on my when I got the vitamins and stuff on my healthy benefits. I believe I got some D, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I talked about it somewhere. It's D. Yeah. Vitamin D is the sunshine vitamin that has been produced on this earth for more than 500 million years. During exposure to sunlight, something in the skin absorbs whatever. Getting too technical there. Sodium bicarbonate is which common household chemical? Fabric softener, detergent, bleach, baking soda. What do you think? I think it's baking soda. Yep. Sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as baking soda. It can be used as a leavening agent for baked goods, a stain remover in toothpaste. Put it in toothpaste. And can make a great household cleaner when mixed with vinegar. I didn't really even know that. I bet it would. They've been using it for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used natural deposits of the mineral to clean their teeth and make paints for writing. Good for painting, good for teeth. Desalination involves removing which chemical compound from water? Chlorine, carbon dioxide, salt, ethanol. Well, I sure hope there's not ethanol in drinking water. I mean, everybody would probably be keeled over by now. I mean, if you drank, that stuff's bad for you. So, I mean, it's salt. Right. Desalination is a process of removing salt or other minerals and contaminants from seawater. Which of the following conducts electricity? Copper, glass, paper, plastic. I'm just thinking, you know, we need some new wiring done in our house. Bring some of that paper over here. We'll just string the paper up. New paper. You know, it's the other answers, the ones that aren't it. They make them too easy to just to deduce what the answer is. You know, plastic. Come on. Glass, I wouldn't doubt that glass maybe could somehow. I'm not for sure. I don't think so. But copper, it's copper. A conductor or electroconductor is a substance or material that allows electricity to flow through it. What do we call the process of solid becoming a liquid? Melting, desublimation, freezing, evaporation. Okay, so solid becoming a liquid. That would be, you know, like ice, right? So pretty easy to figure out. Look at that ice over there. It's melting. It's doing some desublimation there. It's it's melting. Yeah. A change of state is a physical change in a matter. There are reversible changes that do not involve any changes in the chemical makeup of the matter. Okay. What is the chemical symbol for calcium? Cc, Ca, Cl, Cm. Well, it just depends what they would put it as. I want to say just Ca. Yeah, that's right. Calcium is a chemical element with the symbol Ca and atomic number 20. Just remember that atomic number now. Might have a question that says, what is atomic number 20? Sometime. You never know. Okie dokie. I got 8 right, none wrong. Next question. Okay, in chemistry, what is the term for the amount of matter in an object? The amount of matter in an object. What is the term? Dimension, length, mass, width. Okay. Mass. Yes, mass. Matter is all the stuff that exists in the universe. Everything you can see and touch is made of matter, including you. The only things that aren't matter are forms of energy such as light and sound. Okay, we're really going into school time there. But we're here to learn also, you know. But some of it can get pretty boring if you keep talking about it, you know, going on and on about it. Which vitamin, I think this is really easy, and it's the last one, so I'm going to skip this one. I want us to go out on a little better note. Just saying which vitamins in citrus, and I think everybody knows that's C. But I haven't had to skip them. I mean, some of them were still kind of easy, but I didn't really have to skip one yet. How about this? It's not much harder. What is the chemical symbol for carbon dioxide? NaCl, H2O, CO2, NaHCO3. CO2. Yes, carbon dioxide is a chemical compound with a chemical formula CO2. It's made up of molecules that each have one carbon atom covalently, that's a nice word, covalently double bonded to two oxygen atoms. Don't forget that now. Might have that question sometime too. Anyway, perfect score today. I mean, I still learned some stuff, even though I got the answers. But, you know, it was something different. I'm trying to get different subjects as much as possible, you know, instead of just like one type, you know, like just about actors or just about movies or just about this or that. But, you know, I hope y'all enjoyed it, though. I hope you did good on trivia time and that you enjoyed morning coffee break. And if you did, I hope that you'll press that like button right there. Also, subscribe if you haven't already and share this out and hit that so you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody, I hope you have a great day. Have you some snacks close by and watch Delicious Meals video later on today, everyone. Have a great day and God bless.